In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your iCloud password. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, like I am here, or an iPad or a computer, you can do the same steps. The first thing let's do is let's open up your settings here, and we're just going to check two different places. The first place is on your phone itself. So let's tap on passwords here. And this will auto-populate with all of the passwords that are saved to your iCloud, including your iCloud password. So all we have to do is type in Apple here, and we can tap on it, and it'll show us the username in addition to the password associated with our Apple ID or iCloud account. It's the exact same username and password. So this is one place to check. Another place to check is if you use Google Chrome a bunch, you can also see if the password is in there. So let's open up Google Chrome here and tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And now you'll see here the third option is Password Manager. Let's tap on that. And again, it will pop up with all of these passwords. All you have to do again is search for Apple and tap on it. And just like that, you'll be able to see that iCloud username and password. If you wanted to enter that in, maybe you forgot it and you're signing into a new account or have a new device somewhere, all you have to do is go through the process of recovering it from here without having to go through the steps of actually changing that password. I hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.